Trestle table legs are quite a unique design on their own, and there are a number of design choices when it comes to this style. In this video, I want to show you how you can make beautiful 3D curved designs in table legs. Once the technique is learned, there are endless possibilities. Shopfix. It's for the love of woodworking. Going into this build, I had no templates, and I was simply custom designing the leg based on pictures I had researched online. For the top and bottom of the trestle post, I penciled in 45-degree bevels, which would create decorative triangle indentions once they are all cut out. I also etched in 2 coves, one large and one smaller, which I'm tracing out here with a compass. I had a lot of fun creating this design, and although it worked really well, there are a countless number of designs you can create, many which would look even better than the ones I created here. The bandsaw is the best tool to cut these coves out, and I realize not everyone has a bandsaw or one that has the cutting capacity that I do, so if anyone has a workaround, please comment. To complete the entire cove design, I repeated the bandsaw cuts on 3 out of the 4 sides. You simply have to rotate the piece to a side that still has your design traced in. Once you get to the 3rd cut, you'll need to make sure to keep these offcuts intact. We will then take those offcuts and place them back on. We will need these to reference our cut lines for the 4th and final bandsaw cut. To make sure these offcuts don't move out of position, I need to secure them down with clear tape. I simply used clear packaging tape here, and it worked well once I had removed all the dust from the surface. If you don't take the time to clean the dust, the tape will have a really hard time sticking to the wood. Now we have the proper reference lines to make our 4th and final cove cuts. This whole process actually worked way better than I expected, and even with a rough bandsaw cut, the design came out really well. For those that are more skilled at the bandsaw, there are more intricate designs that are achievable for sure. I think the best thing to do is practice designs on a cheaper spare board to get a design down that you really like and are able to cut out accurately like I've done here. I also think it's good practice to leave your cuts just short of the mark so you can dial them in with a chisel, because if you cut past the line, it's nearly impossible to fix. Sanding the coves was actually fairly easy. The trick is to use a sanding flap wheel chucked into a power drill. After I fully sanded the coves, I also hand sanded the triangle indentions and rounded over the edges. Afterwards, I gave both trestle posts another coat of boiled linseed oil. The main lesson I learned from this project is that you might surprise yourself with what you can create if you just give it a try and push yourself past your comfort zone. Thanks for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.